Hi Maricoy. Nore OFW vlog. Happy birthday sa iyo Sisikoy and Maricoy. Hope you enjoy your day and I hope na masaya ka sa kaarawan mong ito ngayon dahil na-meet mo kami. Ako pala. So, thank you so much sa yung support. Ingat ka dyan palagi sa sa kinaroroonan mo. Alam naman natin na hindi natin yan ginusto pero kailangan natin gawin dahil para sa pamilya. So I personally admire those people na lumalayo para sa pamilya dahil mahal natin yung pamilya at gusto natin mabigyan ng good future at saka para matustusan natin yung pangangailangan nila. So, good luck sa'yo. May you have many more birthdays to come kasi alam natin na hindi tayo bumabata. So, take care of your health. Take care every day. Take care sa lahat ng ginagawa mo dyan sa malayo. And I hope someday we could visit you or makapunta kami dyan para ma-meet ka namin, which is I did before. May mga YouTube friends ako na na-meet ko na dyan sa Hong Kong dati sa Kowloon Park. So hoping makabisita ako dyan or si Simply My Loves kung if the situation will papayagan. Yun na yun kasi I'm running late Maricoy, so I have to go now. I'm going to work now. So, bye-bye. Happy birthday and enjoy your day. Hope you have a very happy birthday. Okay? Bye.
What is going on, everybody? What's going on, Nori? I want to wish you a happy birthday. I'm sorry I'm late. I've been home, so I've been enjoying home while I could. I got back out here. I'm waiting to pick up. I've been out here doing some stuff to the truck, so oh man, it is hot out here. But I wish you many more happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Thanks for being a YouTube friend and a sister of mine. I appreciate you so much for your support with me. So anyway, I will sing you a little bit of happy birthday. I will do that. Your brother will do that for you. So here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Nora. Happy birthday to Nora. Happy birthday to you. Let's change to the jam one. Happy birthday to you, yeah. Happy birthday to you, yeah. Happy birthday to you, mwah! And many more.
Hi, Madam Nori. Maayong pagsaulog sa imong adlang na tawhan. Unta, healthy ka always and happy. Salamat sa pa-LC nakadaog ko. Happy birthday ug unta malipayon ka karon sa imong adlang na tawhan. Love, Nov.
Hello, Sisikoy Nori. Happy birthday and enjoy your day with your friends and family and more blessings to come and good health. And God bless. Thank you nga pala sa support mo lagi, Sisikoy. Enjoy lang sa YT. And happy birthday ulit. Love you.
Hi sis! Happy birthday! Matanda na tayo. Matanda na tayo ng damay. Basta wish ko lang sana magiging fruitful pa tayo sa mga darating na taon. Ayan. Tapos stay healthy lang. Alam ko may pinagdadaanan ka. Lahat naman tayo may pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Pero, ayan. magiging matapang lang tayo sa lahat ng pagsubok na ating ayan, basta laban lang. Laban lang. Ayan, ang init o nasa labas ako. Susundo ko na alaga ko. Pero ngayon ko lang nabasa yung message mo. Kaya, happy birthday! Enjoy! Mwah! Love you sis! Happy birthday ulit! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.